In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do flashes on CapCut. Open CapCut on the web or in the mobile or desktop app, whichever you prefer, and make sure you're signed in so your project saves properly. From the home screen, start a fresh project by selecting Create New. This gives you a clean timeline and keeps everything organized from the start. Before you add anything, set your canvas to 9:16. That's the vertical format used by TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts, so your flashes will fill the screen on phones without black bars. If you're repurposing horizontal footage, you can reframe it later, but 9:16 keeps you aligned with short-form platforms. Now, import your video and place it on the timeline. Wait for it to finish loading so playback is smooth. If you have audio, play the clip once to get a feel for the rhythm. Flashes work best when they accent a beat, a transition, or a key moment you want to emphasize. Next, split the video where you want those bursts to land. Move the playhead to a beat or impact point and use the split tool. Shorter segments give you precise control, especially if you're aiming for quick pops of brightness. If your track has music, watch the waveform and line up splits with peaks for tighter timing. This is where taking your time pays off. Zoom in on the timeline, nudge a frame or two forward or back, and preview as you go until the cuts feel punchy rather than chaotic. When you're ready to add the effect, open the Effects panel. In the search bar, type Flash. You'll see options like white flashes, camera flashes, or colored variations depending on what's available in your version. Choose an effect that matches your vibe and drag it onto the timeline. You can apply it to the entire video or just the split sections you created. For strong accents, keep the flash short, often just a few frames to a quarter second. If the default feels too intense, open the effects settings and lower the intensity, opacity, or duration. Subtle flashes often look more professional and are easier on viewers' eyes. As a creative tip, try placing flashes right before or exactly on a beat to create anticipation and impact. Avoid stacking too many in a row. Spacing them out keeps your edit dynamic without feeling overwhelming. And be mindful of photosensitive viewers. Use flashes sparingly and tastefully. Give your sequence a full preview to make sure the timing and brightness feel right. That's it. You've added clean, stylish flashes in CapCut that elevate your edit and help your moments hit harder.